Hello friends, in our previous lecture we have completed 2 columnar cash book. Now we are going for the next topic, that is 3 columnar cash book, which will have all the 3 columns, that is cash, bank, discount on both these sides. Now let's see about it. Rules are same, no such rules are to be remembered. So what is given in the book we will just read and we will start the sum. On page number 170 rules are given. In this type of 3 columnar cash book, in this type of cash book, 3 columns are kept on both the sides: discount column, cash column and bank. Presently, this type of cash book is more useful because cash and bank transactions, discount received and allowed, are recorded in the same structure. Discount, cash and bank are 3 columns in this type of cash book. For the discount column, discount is the income or expense, therefore rule of nominal account is applicable. For cash column, cash is an asset, therefore the rule of real account is applicable. At last, for bank column, bank is the person and the rule of personal account is applicable. All such rules we have written in cash and bank, bank and discount, and cash and discount, so I don't have to repeat them again. On the receipt side of cash book, the transactions increasing the cash or bank balance and discount allowed are recorded, where on the payment side of the cash book, the transactions reducing the cash or bank, increasing overdraft and discount received are recorded. What is the specimen? Date, particulars, receipt number, LF, discount allowed, cash, bank. Date, particulars, voucher number, LF, discount, cash, bank. Now there are some of the points to be remembered at the time of preparing cash book. Very clearly the points are given, so I may not write these things on board. Simply we will look in the book itself and nothing to write about this, directly we will start the sum. But you take these points, all these points A, B, C, D, E, they all are important. Okay. On point A, opening balance of cash balance and bank balance are recorded on the debit side, that is receipt side of cash book, as balance brought forward, whereas the bank overdraft is recorded on the payment side, that is credit side. Wait a minute. All the types of cash received are recorded on the debit side or receipt side of cash book, and all the type of cash payments are recorded on the credit side or payment side. All the type of transaction increasing bank balance or decreasing overdraft are recorded on debit side or receipt side in bank column, and all the types of transaction decreasing the bank balance or increasing the overdraft are recorded on the credit side on the payment side of cash book. Contra transactions are recorded on both the sides. Discount allowed is recorded on debit side and discount received is recorded on credit side. Now we are starting the most important sum, that is given on page number 186. The whole sum you tick as important. Question number 8, page number 186. From the following transactions, prepare 3 columnar cash book of Namrata. Okay, let's prepare. So question number 8. Three columnar cash book of Namrata. For that, give particulars. Here they are as receipts. Then receipt number, then LF. See, columns are more, nothing will come in both this column excluding that C. Otherwise nothing will come, so draw very narrow. After that, any way you can write, okay. First you can write cash also. I am first writing discount allowed, then cash, and then bank. I am writing in this way. You can write as per yourself. No, that's not a problem. But if you are writing here like this, then on the credit side also same thing is to be written. Date, particulars. Here particulars are payments. Voucher number, LF. Then discount received, then cash, and then There are so much column, friends, so be little bit careful. So let's start. Okay, so we are starting from 1st of August, that is opening cash balance 7,000, opening bank balance 6,000. Both are balanced on credit debit side. 1,850. 2 balance brought forward, opening balance. There will be no balance for discount. For cash 7,000, for bank 6,000. Next, cash purchase 6,000. So whenever we are purchasing, cash is going out. So on credit side 3,850. Buy purchase account, cash purchase is of 6,000. So discount will be dash, bank also will be dash. Moreover, cash sales. So when we are selling the goods on cash, cash will come in. So on debit side, same date 3,850 to sales account. Amount is 7,000. So cash purchase, cash is going out credit side, cash sales, cash is coming in, so on debit side. 3,000 deposited in bank. Now we know this will come on both the sides because cash and bank together are there. This is a contra transaction. We are depositing in the bank, so on debit side in bank column, on credit side in cash column. Amount is 3,000. So first amount is to be written 3,000 in bank and on credit side 3,000 in cash. After that we should make the dash wherever required. After that we will write the date 5/8/50. Here also 5/8/50. Now in particulars the opposite. Here in bank we have written, so we will write to cash account and in LFC. Here the cash we will return, so we will write by bank account and in LFC. Next, as more funds are required in the business, a loan of 5,000 is taken from Prabhu bearing 8% interest rate. So we are taking the loan from Prabhu. Cash is coming in because we are taking the loan, so on debit side. 6,850 to 8% loan of Prabhu account. We are taking the loan of rupees 5,000 and nothing is given, so the loan will come in cash. Next, 8th, goods of 3,000 sold to Mansi at 10% cash discount. So cash discount effect will be given. Mansi issued a check of necessary amount which is deposited in bank. So we are selling the goods, we are receiving the money through check, so bank is the receiver, so on debit side, and discount will be recorded in the discount column. 8,850 to sales account. Now as you know, we have to record the discount, so we will multiply 3,000 multiply 10% will be 300. There is no cash, remaining is the check, so 3,000 minus 300 is 2,700. Again I will repeat, we are selling the goods to Mansi, she is giving us the check and 10% cash discount is allowed. So first 3,000 multiply 10% is 300 is the discount. Now 3,000 total minus 300, 27 is the amount of check. 10th, goods of 7,000 purchased from Drivich and 50% amount is immediately paid by cash. But look here, 50% amount is only paid, remaining is outstanding, remaining is not cashed by or check. Only 50% is paid. So we are purchasing the goods, so cash will go out. So on credit side 10,850 by purchase account. Okay. And we will write in bracket 7,000 multiply 50% cash paid. Okay, so 3,500 in cash and nothing in bank. salary 3000, wages 500, stationery 200 are paid by check. So we are paying the expense by check, so bank balance will decrease. So on credit side 12,815 by salary account, do double line, by wages account, again make double lines, by stationery account. And we are paying these things by check, so in cash and discount it should be dash. Now in salary in bank column write 3000, then in wages bank column 500 and 200 in stationery. Okay, next, commission of 1000 and brokerage of 500 are received. So cash will come in and they will receive by cash. So on 14,852, commission account, make double lines, to brokerage account. They are received in cash, so dash in both other columns. Commission is of 1000, brokerage is of 500. Next, bank credited interest of rupees 100 on balance of Namrata. Bank is crediting, we are debiting. 16,850 to bank interest. Now as bank is doing this, so in the amount of bank you will write 100 rupees. Now 17th one again to understand. 2000 withdrawn from the bank for payment of electricity bill. We are only withdrawing from the bank, we are not paying the electricity bill, it is paid on next transaction. See, electricity bill is paid. So one thing again to understand, in one more question the same thing has come in cash and bank question, that we are withdrawing from the bank, so it will be as contra transaction. We are not spending the money now, so we are withdrawing from the bank rupees 2000. So cash will come in because we are withdrawing from bank. So on debit side in cash column, and as bank is the giver, so credit side in bank column, dash in other columns. Now we shall write the date. Date is 17,815 in LFC. Here also 17,815 and LFC. Now opposite in particulars. Here it is written in cash, so here we will write to bank account, and here we will write by cash. Again understand my concept. We are just withdrawing from the bank for payment of electricity bill. It is still not paid, so it will be treated as contra transaction. Whenever we are withdrawing from bank, cash is coming in, so on debit side in cash, bank is the giver, so credit side on bank. Opposite in particulars. Here it is in cash, so we will write to bank. Here in bank, so we will write by cash LFC. Now on 20th, 1000 paid for electricity bill and remaining 1000 is for personal use. So 1000 cash is going for electricity and 1000 is going for personal use, that is drawing. So cash is going out, so it will be recorded on the credit side. 2815 by electricity bill account. On the same date we are withdrawing for personal use also, so by drawings account. Both are with cash, 1000 each, because we have withdrawn 2000 from bank. Now we are only paying this check. Okay, next, 27. Goods of 5000 sold to Parth. He issued a check of necessary amount after deducting cash discount 10%, which is immediately deposited in bank. Selling the goods to Parth, he is giving us the check, so bank is the receiver, so on debit side also cash discount is allowed, so we will first multiply. Okay, 22,850 to sales account. Now as we want to know the cash discount, we will multiply 5000 with 10%, so it is 500. Remaining amount check is received, so 5000 minus 500 is 45. Next on 25th, check of Parth is dishonored. The check which we have received here is dishonored, so it will be shown on the opposite side. 25,850 by Path account. We will write check issued by Path for sales on 22/8/15 is dishonored. Always remember, for dishonored the opposite effect will be given, and the amount will be in the bank column rupees 4,500. The check which we have received, not the 500. Okay, so the received check of Path is dishonored, so we will write on credit side. Next, check of 6,050 is issued to Bansri towards her old debt. The total debt was 61. We are giving the check to Bansri, so bank is the giver, 6,050. Total amount was 6,100, so remaining 50 is the discount. Okay, so 28,850 by Bansri account. 50 rupees is discount and 6,050 is the check. Next, Gopi has paid 2,000 by cash in full settlement of debt of 2040. Gopi is paying, so Namrata, we are the receiver, so on the same side, we are receiving the cash of rupees 2,000 for 2040, so 40 is the discount. So 29,850 to Gopi account. 40 rupees will be the discount, 2,000 cash is received for 2040, nothing in the bank. Now the last transaction is very important, friends. The thing which is given in the last transaction is very important. Let's read. After keeping cash on hand rupees 5,000, underline cash on hand and write closing cash balance. So closing cash balance is 5,000. The remaining is the deposited in bank. So after making effect of all these transactions, we are keeping a closing cash balance of 5,000, which will come on credit side, and the remaining amount which will be remembered, from which will be the difference. See, normally how we are taking the closing balance? By taking the total of debit side and subtracting the credit side. So we are getting the closing balance. Now closing balance is given, but amount which is deposited is not known. So first we will write that entry first. So on 31st August, we are depositing the money in bank. So bank will be the receiver. Amount we don't know. So small question mark we can do here. Bank is the receiver, so debit side in bank, and small question mark we can do here because cash is going up. Now opposite effect plus date. 31/8/15. Here we will write C dash in other two. Here also 31/8/15 and LFC dash in other columns. Now we will write the particulars. Here the amount is in bank, so here we will write to cash account. And here the amount is in cash, so here we will write by bank. But friends, you need to understand a simple thing, that amount is only not given, that we can find. But you should give the effect by writing a small question mark, because they are telling we are keeping a closing balance of 5,000 and the remaining amount is deposited in bank. So for that, give the effect. We are depositing in bank, so bank is the receiver, but we don't know how much is the amount, so small question mark. Debit side on bank, so credit side of cash, so small question mark. Dash in other columns. Write the date 31/8. Opposite in particulars. Here in bank, so to cash. Here in cash, so by bank. Now one more thing. Now we are writing the closing balance. 31/8/15 by balance CF. In bracket, I will write closing balance of cash. We know 5,000. Now we cannot highlight it because this thing we have to highlight, and in bank we don't know whether it will be bank balance or bank overdraft. So for that we have to take the totals. As you know, simply we are taking the total of discounts. 840. Here it would be 50. 840, here it will be 50, there is no balance. Next, we are taking the total of cash debit side, we will write on credit side, we will subtract and we can get this amount. So we can get this amount. Otherwise we cannot close the bank because one amount is unknown. 7,000, 7,000, 5,000, 1,000, 500, 2,000, 2,000. 24,500. Always debit side of cash is more. 24,500. Now by subtracting we are getting always closing balance, but today we are getting the amount which is deposited in bank. So again make 0. Write 2,500, 24,500 again. Minus 6,000, minus 3,000, minus 3,500, minus 1,000, minus 1,000, minus 5,000. So here also it will be 5,000. So the amount which is deposited in bank is 5,000. If there it is 5,000 for contra, here also it will be 5,000. But don't make it round. This amount is not found out. Now we have to check which side of bank is more. Okay, again I am repeating. After keeping cash on hand means closing cash balance 5,000, remaining is deposited in bank. So total we were having 10,000, 5,000 is we have kept with ourselves and remaining we are depositing in bank. So remaining that is 5,000. How we got? By taking the total of debit, putting on credit and subtracting, so we are getting 5,000. Now on bank we have to look which side is more. 6,000, 3,000, 2,700, 100, 4,500 and 5,000. Total of debit side is 21,300. Now let's see on credit side. 3,500, 200, 2,000, 4,500, 6,050. Credit side is less, 16,250. So again on debit side it is more. 6,000, 3,000, 2,700, 100, 4,500 and 5,000. On debit side the total is 21,300. So on credit side also 21,300. Now again make 0, 21,300 minus 3,000 minus 500 minus 200 minus 2,000 minus 4,500 minus 6,050. So it is 50,50. So the closing balance of bank is bank balance because it is on credit side. Again I will repeat for 31st transaction. In 31st transaction they were telling to keep the closing balance of cash 5,000, remaining is deposited in bank. So first amount is only not there, but write all other things. Whenever we are depositing in bank, bank is the receiver, so make a question mark here, and here cash will go out, so credit side of cash. After that write the date 31/8, put the dash and write C. After that here it is bank, so here it should be to cash. Here it is cash, so here it should be written bank. Now we are taking the total of cash 24,500, we are putting here minus all these things including this closing balance, so remaining is 5,000. So 5,000 is deposited into bank. So if there it is 5,000, so it is contra, here also it will be 5,000. Now if we are doing the total of both sides in bank, debit side was more than credit side, so total of debit side on both sides and the remaining amount 50/50 is the closing balance. Now after the sum is completed, write this thing. Discount allowed. How much? 840 rupees. Below the sum, but space is not there, so I am writing here. Discount received 50 rupees. So friends, we are completing the 3 columnar cash book, and new concepts of 3 columnar cash book is given in the next topic. We will see it tomorrow. That's all for today. Thank you so much.